In the bustling city of Hangzhou, where the modern world met ancient traditions, there lived a wise and mysterious monk named Master Li. Though the city was filled with the noise of progress, cars honking, people chattering, and technology beeping, Master Li's serene presence was a reminder of the timeless wisdom that transcended eras. One rainy afternoon, a young businesswoman named Jing entered the tranquil temple where Master Li resided. Jing was known for her quick wit and sharp tongue, which often got her into trouble. Frustrated by a recent conflict at work and seeking solace, she approached Master Li for guidance.
Master Li, I find myself constantly arguing and feeling overwhelmed. I want to find peace, but the noise in my mind and the chaos around me are too much. Can you help me?
Master Li smiled kindly and beckoned her to sit beside him.
Jing,
He said softly.
let me tell you a story about the power of silence. In a remote village nestled in the mountains, there was a young hunter named Wei. Wei was known for his bravery and skill, but he had a habit of talking excessively, especially when nervous or excited. One day, Wei ventured deep into the forest, seeking a legendary white stag that was said to bring great fortune to whoever captured it. As Wei tracked the stag, he came across an old hermit who lived in a secluded hut. The hermit, wise and silent, motioned for Wei to approach. Curious and respectful, Wei asked.
Old man, have you seen the white stag?
The hermit nodded, but did not speak. Instead, he handed Wei a piece of parchment with a message.
In silence lies the key to your quest. Speak not, and listen to the world around you.
Puzzled but intrigued, Wei decided to heed the hermit's advice. As he moved deeper into the forest, he remained silent, observing and listening. He noticed the subtle rustling of leaves, the distant calls of animals, and the gentle flow of a nearby stream. His senses sharpened, and he felt more in tune with his surroundings than ever before. Suddenly, Wei spotted the elusive white stag drinking from the stream. He moved carefully, his silence allowing him to approach without startling the creature. Just as he was about to draw his bow, he heard the faintest whisper of danger, a predator lurking nearby. Because he was silent, Wei could hear the warning and avoid an ambush. Returning to the village with tales of his near encounter, Wei shared how silence had saved his life and brought him closer to his goal. He realized that in many situations, speaking could lead to danger or missed opportunities, while silence offered clarity and safety.
Master Li looked at Jing and continued.
Like Wei, you must learn the art of silence. Not every situation requires words. Sometimes silence can bring peace, understanding, and even save your life.
Jing pondered Master Li's words and decided to practice silence in her daily life. At work, she listened more and spoke less, finding that conflicts diminished and her relationships improved. She became more attuned to the needs of her colleagues and the subtleties of her environment. At home, she found peace in moments of quiet reflection, which helped her make better decisions and find inner tranquility. As time passed, Jing's newfound wisdom began to shine. Her presence became a source of calm and inspiration to those around her. She realized that silence was not just the absence of sound, but a powerful tool for understanding and harmony. Master Li's teachings continued to echo in Jing's life, reminding her that sometimes the most profound answers and the greatest peace could be found in the stillness of silence. Through her journey, she discovered that silence could indeed save lives and bring a deeper sense of peace to the world. If you found this story to be inspiring, please subscribe to Reflective Journey, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.